Mobern has been meeting the lighting demands of commercial, industrial, and residential customers since 1944. Our customers demand quality, cutting-edge, and well-designed lighting solutions supplied when they need them, meeting their technical standards and the Buy American Act criteria, all with their budget. Mobern provides all of this and more. Lighting supply chain solutions that meet project deadlines and budgets at the best market value. Mobern delivers this market-leading package supported by one of the few domestic manufacturing, engineering, and design facilities in the U.S., augmented by a global supply chain that sources materials at the best value. We manufacture and sell commercial and industrial products across a wide variety of markets for OEM, Gov, large-scale end users, retail, and retrofits. Mobern, leading the industry with solutions that are fast, customized, and value-engineered.